Stay in a luxury Kasbah or Riad, the 8 top things to do in Ouarzazate, Morocco. If visiting Ouarzazate's magnificent kasbahs leaves you wanting to experience the grandeur of the old dynasties for yourself, consider a stay in one of the city's lovingly restored historic hotels. Kasbah Dar Daif is located on the banks of Mansour Eddahbi Lake and features gorgeous rooms decorated with antique tapestries, rugs and paintings. It also boasts a gourmet restaurant, a private hammam and spa and lush gardens complete with a sparkling pool. Alternatively, luxurious Riad Ouarzazate is instantly recognizable for its wonderfully ornate façade. It's adorned with carved wooden doorways and colorful zellij mosaics, while all 9 bedrooms are inspired by different desert destinations ranging from Fint Oasis to Merzouga. The Riad has its own Moroccan restaurant and terrace and can arrange luxury day trips and multi-day tours.